Appreciate you, Lone Wolf. Definitely the best source for paintball. The new GAT just came in. Let's unbox it. Dark gray gold. Let's put it together. There she is in all her glory. The dark gray gold part swap LV2. We got the infamous Deuce trigger and an extra S63 barrel insert. Can't wait to shoot it. Let's install the infamous trigger. You're gonna take that bolt out right there. Just set that right there. And then you'll grab this guy right here. Just pull it out. Now we gotta take that back piece off. Oh, it just fell. And we're gonna put that on there. See that little screw sitting right there by my finger? You just take it out of the center piece on the back of the trigger. When you're done, the trigger on there should look just like this. See, we put that center bolt back on. And that's what's left over of the old trigger. And there, and take this guy. And slide her back up in there. And you'll grab your screw. Put it in there. And when you tighten it, you don't want to tighten it, like you don't want to like torque it, like just get it tight enough to where it's like solid in there. Like pretty much when, like right now it's a little hard to turn, so that's good. And there you have it. Infamous Deuce trigger. Did that with one hand, so pretty easy. I dig it. There you have it. Coming up next, I'm gonna do a shooting video where I will compare the LV2 to my other baby, the HK Shocker, and we'll see the shot difference and a few other things. Until next time, y'all be easy.